Hey everybody, in this video I wanted to show you the Taylor Test Kit K2005. This is the Taylor K2005 Test Kit. This is a complete test kit. Okay, and when I mean complete, you'll see once I open it up all of the tests that you can do with this test kit. Okay, I'm going to go over those. If you're not a subscriber of mine and would like videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, and please also like this video. That will help people find my channel, and I sure appreciate it. So let me take my glasses off so I can actually see a little bit better here. Okay, so this test kit will test for free combined and total chlorine. You have a pH test, and you can also do the acid demand test, total alkalinity, calcium hardness, cyanuric acid. Now it does say sodium chloride, which is a salt test, but it does not come with the salt reagent. So this test kit right here is one of the many of test kits that are available through Taylor. Taylor is pretty much the leader in testing supplies. Pool and spa testing supply kits. Okay, and so pretty much you're going to be able to test with this kit everything that you're going to need to know. Like if you're a residential pool owner or a pool professional, you'll be able to test everything. So this particular kit is the kind that I've been using since 2005. That was actually when I started my business, and I started using this kit, and I still use it today. This is actually a new kit. You can tell pretty much everything's in here. The standard comes with a book. It's going to tell you pretty much everything that you need to know about testing your water, and I highly recommend this over the K2006 because they do have a K2006. The reasoning is the reagent is basically a powder on the K2006 for the free chlorine, and I just find it easy to get water on accident from your hand. Like if I put my hand into the pool, I can, you can get water in it, and then you're kind of ruining most of it. So I just kind of stay away from that one. But it is a good test kit also. But if you're a residential pool owner and you would like to start taking care of your pool on your own, this is the test kit that I recommend, because you'll be able to do all of the tests that the pool store does, because they use these kits. This is what they use when you come in with your sample. So I'm going to have a link in the description of where you can pick this particular kit up. I highly recommend it over all other test kits. I do, in between servicing pools, I will sometimes use the test strips. If I already know, say, what the cyanuric acid is, and maybe like the total alkalinity of a pool, and it hasn't had any rain or anything, I typically sometimes will just use the test strips. But when I need a complete, accurate reading, like fully accurate, I'm going to actually use this kit. And like I said, this is the K2005 Taylor Test Kit. Highly recommend getting it. They do have smaller kits. If you're a pool professional, what you will eventually do is want to get the 2-ounce bottles of this. So here is the 001 and 002. Okay, for the free chlorine reading, you're going to want to pick up, if you're a pool professional, the 2-ounce bottles of that, and the 004. This is the pH reagent. You're going to want to pick up the 2-ounce bottles of that. Also, they do make a, I think it's a pint of the cyanuric acid. The actual cyanuric acid reagent, and it's in a big bottle. Like I said, it's probably about a pint, so you would want to pick up that. The total alkalinity, you can always get 2-ounce bottles to refill these. But if you're a residential pool owner You will not have to fill up these for a long time, and it will get you many of seasons just with this one kit alone. So once again, this is the K2005 Complete High Taylor Test Kit. Highly recommend it. There's a link in the description. And I appreciate everybody watching this. I appreciate all my new subscribers. If you ever have any questions about your pool, please feel free to ask me. I answer every one of my subscribers when they have questions as soon as I get it. Okay? All right. Thank you.